SolidWorks Simulation, Lecture 7, Part 3. The effect of mass in natural vibrations. First of all, I need to edit this assembly to make the mass different. So I'll edit this part and I'll open the toolbar and choose this face, this planar face, enter sketch mode and use offset by 1 inch and extrude it to 2 inches. Now this is offset, okay, and extrude it to 2 inches. So this is the part that I've modified to make the mass different. So I'll save the file first, and then I'll start a new study, which is a frequency study. And for the preparing steps, the first step is to add in the software. The second step is to load the toolbar. The third step is to organize the toolbar, which is already there. So I have finished with the 3 preparing steps for CAE analysis, and I have already opened a study, which is a frequency study. So I have finished with the first step. For the second step, material, I cannot push button here because there are 3 different materials, 3 different parts with different materials. So I'll enter materials here. For the shaft, I'll give it alloy steel. For the bearings, I'll give it bearing bronze, a copper alloy bearing bronze. So I finished with the second step. For the third step, I'll simply mesh it and hide the mesh. For the fourth step, I need to clamp these 4 holes. So I'll fix these 4 holes. I'll fix these 4 holes and hide the mesh. So I fixed all the holes here. Now I'll define the number of frequencies that I'll calculate to make it 6. I'll let the computer calculate 6 different mode shapes and frequencies. So I have finished with all the procedures. First, the assembly, the 3D model, and open a case, and materials, and mesh, and boundary condition without loading. So I'll go ahead and calculate. This is the result. For example, now in the first mode, the frequencies dropped from 1300 to 500. So there's a significant drop in natural frequency. So it is important that you have to bear in mind the effect of increase in mass or decrease in mass will affect the frequencies, the natural frequencies. Since the item, the term mass appears in the left hand side of the ordinary differential equation, and the external load appear on the right hand side of the ordinary differential equation. So the term mass is quite different from that of external force. For example, in statics analysis, if you choose a gravitation of 9.81 and you draw a 3D body with a weight of 300 kilograms and doing static analysis, and in another case you use a 300 kilogram force to replace the mass, in static analysis they are equivalent, but in dynamic analysis or in natural frequencies analysis it is quite different. So you must not replace a mass with a force in natural frequencies. So that's the point in this lecture.